Hey guys, this is an airsoft review on the Stinger P9t. It's overall a really great gun. In this video, I'm going to be doing a shooting test, a disassembly, and reassembly, not in that order. First, it shoots 250 to 300 FPS. So let's get right down to it. Okay. First, what you do is you put it on safe, like that. Then, remove the mag. Put that to the side. Next, use a small screwdriver and you want to push that pin out. Throw that away. Make sure you keep that though. Next, what you do is you pull the slide forward, off. Take the receiver, toss that away. Next, what you do is you take out this piece, not sure what it's called, spring, plunger, and then next what you have to do is you have to pull this back and yank that out. Next, what you have to do is take your finger, push up that down, and it just flies out. Alright, so I have the gun completely disassembled. I have the slide, the barrel, the pullback spring, the firing spring, and then the firing mechanism, receiver, another pin that holds the whole entire slide and the receiver together, and a mag that holds 16 rounds. Now I'm going to be putting this back together. First, you put the pullback spring on the barrel, and then just put that in. Next, take this, put that in, make sure you have it in properly. Okay, it's working. Next, place in the plunger, spring, and I like to leave this thing out right here so that when I put in this part in this hole, that it does not mess up your gun when I put it in, because it's extremely hard if it's already put in place. So all you have to do now is just push down. Next, put the pin in. Okay, the pin doesn't go in all the way at first. I'm going to pull this back and then forward, and it clips down just like that. Now take it off safe, fire it, and there's nothing in it, so it's all good. So it's firing good. Next, I'm doing a firing test. Excuse the mess. There's the target, and I'm going to be shooting .12 gram BBs at the target. 16 rounds. And I'm out. Overall, this is a great gun, and I'm doing this for a school project. I'm hoping to be a gunsmith in my future years, and yeah, this is basically what a gunsmith does. Also, he refurbishes older weapons too, and that's it.